Cater and I are in the AMG with the go-kart van on the roof, and we are down here at Woodward Avenue for the Woodward Dream Cruise. Don't really have a plan. I think we're gonna meet up with my dad at some point today. We're just gonna cruise around, check out some cars, and have some fun, right, baby? Found a parking spot right here on the just south of downtown Birmingham, right on the end. We're waiting for my dad to meet us, and we're gonna go check out some cars. Headphones are a must if you're going to do Woodward with a kid.
Yeah, my friends better hear my advice, cause you ain't got no good plan. Gonna make that mistake twice. Yeah, my friend, you've been there before. She's gonna rip up your heart and kick you out that door. She's a mean and evil and a little bit more. Doesn't take a genius to figure who she's blamed you for. Hey, my friend, now it's time to make a move. The card has been set up now, decision's up to you. Make no mistake, there's no time to lose. Backdoor man is there, washing away her blues. She's a mean and evil, a little bit more. Doesn't take a genius to figure who she's playing you for.
Is only allowed to sit in the front seat when we're going 2 miles an hour, so I texted Laura, got permission and everything. The last time I posted a picture of her sitting in the front seat, I got roasted online, so just wanted to point that out.
She doesn't mean and evil, a little bit more. Doesn't take a genius to figure who she's playing you for.
That this guy still wants to be here. We just cruised for like 3 hours, and she's like, I kind of want to walk around and look at stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. It's like 5 o'clock. We've been here all day, and we're still going strong. Ooh. guess just in general, super cool. I wonder how I did at Speed Week this year. This thing is humongous. Look at it. Oh, beautiful black too. This thing rules. So there's no scenario where I can film right now. It's like 5 o'clock without getting shadows, so. Cool.
Okay, perfect.
There are so many people that come to this. It's craziness. Our trip to the Woodward Dream Cruise. We are going to head back to Traverse City. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all of that good stuff.